Hi everyone, I'm Kavett and I am here in a wood shop. This is not my specialty. I don't really know what to do with most of this stuff.
It's okay.
But luckily, I've got a woodworking expert here.
I know the ropes.
This is my friend, Jason Pickens. This is his wood shop. So Jason, would you say that you are a master of all of these tools around us right now?
Yes, Karen, I would. Thank you very much.
Anyway, it is back to school season. I would really like a way to organize all of my colored pencils into a beautiful rainbow.
Okay.
Do you think we can make some sort of organizer to be able to do that?
I mean, we could, or I could let you use all the tools in here. In this episode, Karen Kavett uses tools. What?
I'm so nervous. I'm so scared.
It's just a piece of wood. It's a piece of poplar. So all we're gonna do is drill as many holes as you want in there into different sizes. All right. So I'm gonna.
Oh, these look like torture instruments.
Yeah. So it's called a Forstner bit, and it'll drill a hole in there as deep as you want it to be.
Okay.
Now you can do it with a drill. Have you ever used one of these before?
I have indeed.
Okay. That's great. So we're not going to use this.
Oh, great.
But I'm not going to put you on the big drill press. I'll put you on a small drill press, which is essentially just
Small
this machine.
like me.
Exactly. It's this machine, but it's mounted to something. So that way you can put it in here and it will just drill every time.
Very small next to this thing. So I have marked my piece of wood.
Okay.
I've marked every 2 inches and then the center, which I totally figured out all on my own with no help from this guy over here. And we're gonna use this thing?
Yes, correct. Which is called a drill press.
It's kind of scary looking. This is more parts than most of the tools that I use.
It's super, super simple. So the way that this works is we're gonna put this in here.
Okay.
And then it's going to spin around for you. Then all you have to do is pull this little lever. And
Make
it
sure
goes
your
down.
hands are nowhere near it. How do you make sure that you don't go all the way through?
When you turn this, you can see how far it's going to go down. So let's say you want it to be about that far. So you can go here to this 10 mark. And if it's not exactly the same,
Then it's ruined and we have to throw it in the trash.
Exactly. Only 1/1000th of an inch precision in my shop.
Only the best.
Okay. So I'm gonna do the first one and then I'll hand off to
okay.
you. Okay.
I'm just gonna watch. Turn it on.
Yep. Okay, so place
Now
this hand right here.
Now just look at it for a minute.
Okay.
There it goes. I think I did it.
You got that.
Thanks for teaching me how to make this.
You're very welcome.
I think I need to bring this back to LA because that's where all of my paints and my other supplies are.
It's a long trip.
Do you want to come with me?
Yes.
Hey stranger.
Yeah.
Welcome to LA.
Feels good to be here.
So here we have our jet-setting pencil holder.
Fantastic.
Brought all the way from Brooklyn. I already painted this white this morning. I just put on a coat of spray paint and now we could just leave it white, but first we're gonna sand it.
Yes.
Then we're gonna paint it other colors.
We're sanding it because you effectively painted it with some white, which kind of works as a primer. But when you do that, the moisture in the paint absorbs into the wood and kind of leaves it bumpy. Give it a little of that.
Yep.
Take the bumps off.
And now it's so smooth.
So smooth.
Right, now that we've mixed our colors, let's get to painting.
Well, you mix the colors.
I mixed the colors.
You mixed and I.
Yeah, but you did like
watched.
everything else. I did a lot of watching in the wood shop.
I guess I just don't really paint that many things, really.
You need to get some color in your life, Jason.
I know, I gotta sparkle and shine.
I think this is more color in one shot of this video than I saw in your entire apartment.
Yeah, for sure.
Well, I think we did it.
This is fantastic.
I think we
love
made
this.
a rainbow colored pencil holder. It still has to dry, so unfortunately you're not going to be able to see what it looks like with the colored pencils in it, but I'll send you a picture, okay?
Okay, done. It looks really good.
Yeah, I think it came out really cool.
This is some hard transition painting here.
It might have been easier to just do stripes, but
Like a challenge.
if you do it at home, maybe just do stripes.
Yeah.
This was a project. Well, thanks for helping me make this and use, what did we use, the drill press?
You use the drill press,
Yeah.
You made this completely.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah.
No help from this guy over here.
None.
I don't
Well
know what
done.
he's doing here. How'd you get
Hanging
into my
out.
house? So make sure to leave a comment right down below. If you made one of these, how would you decorate yours? Would you do a rainbow like we did? Some other designs? Just leave it as wood, which would have been fine. Wouldn't really have matched my apartment.
No, probably not.
And if you want to see more of Jason, he actually makes videos over on HGTV Handmade along with me. And we did another video over there together. We are doing a back to school organizer challenge type of thing.
Check it out.
I think we're gonna go.
Okay.
You're done?
Well, it's your channel, so I'm just here.
All right, bye everyone.
Bye, thanks for watching.
You guys, I did not understand how much sawdust gets generated from one single project. There is so much here, and I feel like I'm covered in it, and I feel like I need a shower.